we'll invite Mr. Ling to.
So it's a very good for the mushroom substitution. Will be the sixth.
The mushroom will sprout out.
So just like that.
Yeah, you can.
So
That's the
It grows from. Ginger.
Excellency, the Chinese ambassador to Fiji, Mr. Zhang Ping, the Cultural Station Officer, Mr. Kinikenda, Professor Ling, senior members of the Chinese Embassy from Suva, and members of Professor Ling's staff, ladies and gentlemen, the chiefs and the people of Legalega. And so nice to be here this morning. Thank you for welcoming us this morning. On behalf of my wife and the team from Suva, I've been looking forward to this occasion when I was invited by His Excellency the Ambassador some months back. But prior to that, when I was in government, I was briefed by the Honorable Minister for Agriculture, Inia Siruratu, about the mushroom farm. In fact, he gave me a packet of mushrooms I enjoyed cooking and eating at home. So this morning, it's an eye-opener for most of us who came from Suva. It is a pleasant surprise for us too, because of the fact that we didn't even know that this farm existed. And on behalf of government and all the people of Fiji, I would like to extend to His Excellency the Ambassador our heartfelt gratitude and appreciation for the initiative which was started by His Excellency the President, Mr. Jinping, I beg your pardon, Mr. Xi.
Xi,
when he came in 2009, if my brief is correct. Now, after all these years, it's good to see the project slowly starting to come to fruition, and we are most grateful. I was very interested in the latest edition of $10 million donation to help the continuation of the project. And once again, on behalf of all of us, our appreciation and gratitude to the Chinese government backing our region. To the participants, now, first of all, congratulations for your participation in this project. We are all here to learn. I've been told that you've been here for some days now, and you'll be going back to your farms or to your homes. I certainly hope that you have enjoyed your stay, but more importantly, you have learned how to farm mushroom. From what I've seen, this is a cash crop that we can all benefit from. And as a nation, you've heard the comments from the agriculture officer, how we need to reduce our import bill for vegetables. I'm all for that because of the fact that, money that is kept back here in Fiji will benefit all of us. So this is part of it. Not only was I interested in the mushroom, I was also interested in the Junkao grass. The Junkao grass is very interesting because we can feed our goats, our cattle, our horses. So not only are we going to benefit by producing mushrooms, but the Junkao grass can help our farmers as well. So for those of you who have participated, I believe we'll be issuing our certificates very shortly. Congratulations, well done. And I wish you well and every success when you return to your homes and your farms. And on that note, I would like to once again echo the appreciation and gratitude expressed by the Ambassador. And on behalf of our agricultural team here, thanks for your attendance and Congratulations, and we wish you well. May God bless you. May God bless our Chinese ambassador and his friends and Professor Ling and the team, and your lovely country and Fiji and all Fijians. Humanity kondon was involved naka. And I'd like to thank the ladies for this lovely samsung. Nawali. God bless you. Yes. God bless you. Wish you well. There we go. I'll come and see you in your phone now. Congratulations. There we go. Congratulations. Set.